Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect your Instagram to your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon to open your account settings. Now scroll down through the settings page until you find the option called Meta Account Center. This is where you can manage and link your accounts across different Meta platforms. Tap on Meta Account Center, and once it opens, look for the option that says Add Instagram Account. Go ahead and tap on it to begin linking your accounts. Next, press Continue, and you'll be asked to log in to your Instagram account if you're not already logged in. Enter your login details and proceed. After that, you'll see a permission screen asking you to allow account linking. Simply tap on Allow and then finish the setup process. Once completed, your Instagram and WhatsApp will now be successfully linked to your WhatsApp. This means certain profile data and account settings can now sync across both platforms. To confirm everything is connected, you can go to the Accounts section inside the Meta Account Center. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts currently linked together. And that's it. Your Instagram and WhatsApp are now connected and ready to work together. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.